How to fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily fix if your Outlook is not sending email or receiving emails. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Outlook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. I'm already logged in, so what I'm gonna do is here basically just go to the more option from inbox, and then you basically want to find the option called Outbox. So go ahead and make sure that your Outbox does not have any large files stored in here, because that might be causing the issue. The other thing you need to make sure is that your inbox is not full, because if your inbox is full, then in that case you basically have to go ahead and clear out these inboxes so that there's some space left. Now, after doing all of this, there's one more thing you can do. Go to the search bar and search for services, hit enter, and once your services open up, you want to go ahead and find the Google Play Updater Services. So you basically have to go ahead and click on it. So once you find the Google Updater service, you could just go ahead and right click on it, then go to properties. Now make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then click on start. Now once you start this up, just click on apply and then OK. Now you can do the same thing for others as well. Let's go to Google Update Internal Service. Then you'll have Google Update Service. Go ahead and right click on it, go to properties, make sure it's automatic, start it once, click on apply and then OK. Now once you have done that, you should be able to use your Outlook without any problem. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.